Hello everyone, my name is Ernest, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you the index table options within the Ajax Search Pro plugin. Alright, let's go back to the index table options and check out the advanced options panel. The first option is for multi-sites. It lets you choose which blocks do you want to index. The second option, the post limit per iteration, tells how many posts should be indexed per each request. If you have a lot of posts, like I did in my example, and a reasonably powerful server, you can try increasing it to 50 or even 100. If the index returns an error message afterwards, then I recommend lowering it back to 25. The third option lets you define stop words which are excluded from the index. This is basically a common word filter. The minimum word length option allows ignoring words below a specific length. In this case, any single character word is ignored because it's set to 1. The extract iframe contents option allows indexing embedded iframe HTML tag contents. This is very rarely used and might not work on all servers. The execute shortcodes option tells if the shortcodes within a content should be executed first before indexing. This comes handy when the shortcode output contains valuable keyword information. Plugins like TablePress, for example, heavily benefit from this feature, as the table contents are the output of a shortcode. And finally, the remove these shortcodes option defines which shortcodes should be executed whatsoever during indexing. And that's basically it. These are the advanced options. We will skip the synonym options because they are covered in a separate video. So let's move on to the indexing and cron options then. The first one, the index new posts upon creation option, makes sure that during the publishing or saving process the posts are indexed. I recommend leaving this option as it is. In most cases this is the very best way of indexing new or changing content. If you ever prefer indexing the posts periodically, you can do so by enabling the wcron option right here. This feature is useful on sites where new posts are, for example, regularly imported. You can even change the period. Choose the period according to the frequency of your imports. So choose daily if the imports are daily or less frequent, or choose hourly if the imports are hourly, and so on. Alright, let's move on to the performance and accuracy panel right here. Well, these options should be left as they are. I only recommend changing them if you have reasonably large index and also experience some results missing from the results list when entering one keyword onto the search bar but not for other keywords. So basically when there's an inconsistency in the results. If you tried every other possibility, like increasing the results count, checking keyword exceptions, category exceptions, etc., and nothing seems to help, then you can try switching off the automatic pool size option and try increasing each field at once by a large margin first. So, for example, if I see a few results completely missing here and there, and I tried every possible option, there it is, at first I will try increasing the values like so. Say this was by default 500, I will do 10,000. I will do 10,000 for this as well. I'll do 20,000 for this, 20,000 for this. Then I go back to the front end, try a few keywords, and if it works, then I start lowering them up to the point where it still works, because usually the lower these values are, the better for your server. Well guys, I hope this video was helpful. For more information you can check the links in the description below. For quick questions, leave a comment. For more specific questions or support, you can contact us via the links below. I wish you a nice day. Bye.